So, hi, I will be playing Lego Worlds, and we will see, we will, is it strange for a man who's nearly 40 to be playing Lego Worlds? I mean, do you think? I don't think so. I think this is fine. This is all completely fine. Yes, yes. Okay, welcome back. It's me again, and this is Lego Worlds, and I'm in a cave, and it's just extraordinary. The graphics here are incredible. I mean, the light and the reflections, and the game is it's true what they're saying. Some people are saying the game is extremely underrated. I mean, it's got so many interesting things about it, you know, like puzzle elements that you wouldn't know about until you play the game. And the longer you are playing the game, the better the game seems to get. It seems to be like that with a lot of games, I think. But this is I found out that you could be the skeleton, and he can put on a Santa hat, and it's just such a fun game. What was I going to say? Lego actually has a very special place in my heart. Really, it's part of my story. If I was to have a biography, then Lego would be in there fairly near the beginning, because it enabled me. I'm a storyteller. And I had Lego as a kid, and I actually won a Lego competition, and Lego allowed me to, just to tell stories. And yeah, and I went on to create quite a few animations. Not in Lego, but using Cinema 4D. Oh, I've run out of time.